Hello, welcome to the world of computer-aided design with Solidworks. My name is Ipshit and I am working as a CAD design engineer with CAD Technologies. I have more than 5 years of experience in CAD domain. I will be taking you through this amazing journey of product design using possibly the best CAD software package, Solidworks. Let me briefly introduce you to CAD Technologies. Incepted under the guidance of Professor Shyam Tikku, who is a leading professor in Mechanical Department of Purdue University, USA. CAD Technologies is one of the leading publishers of textbooks. It has published more than 52 titles by now in CAD, civil, animation, computer, and IT domains. CAD Technologies is also involved in consulting business. It has worked with many world-level companies and clients to help them with their consulting projects. Also, it provides high-quality trainings on various software packages. Now let us talk about SolidWorks. SolidWorks, developed by SolidWorks Corporation USA, is a feature-based parametric solid modeling mechanical design and automation software. It is the first CAD package to use the Microsoft Windows Graphical User Interface. The Windows Graphical User Interface makes it possible for the mechanical design engineers to innovate their ideas and implement them in the form of virtual prototypes or solid models, large assemblies, sub-assemblies, detailing and drafting. SolidWorks has a wide range of applications in industries such as aerospace, defense, automotive, transportation, machinery, heavy equipment, consumer products, mold and tool design, electronics, sheet metal work, process plant, medical tools, product design, and other engineering services. Built-in intelligence of SolidWorks takes the guesswork out of 3D design. Intelligent design tools minimize training needs and let you quickly detail designs without error. You can automatically dimension manufacturing features in 3D, check dimensional completeness, and graphically display dimensional status on 2D drawings. Improved collaboration drives new ideas and expands opportunities. With SolidWorks solutions, you and your team can easily manage product data, share designs, automate workflows, and securely share design data across your organization and with the clients also. You can deliver compelling product details with representations of 3D models, 2D drawings, animations, and photorealistic renderings before manufacture. Lower total cost of ownership comes from higher efficiency. SolidWorks 3D design solutions are quick to deploy, easy to use, and simple to administer. Instead of spending time maintaining your CAD system, you can capitalize on new opportunities, reduce costs, and get to market faster. So to get started with this amazing CAD package, you need to follow this video series. Thank you for watching this video.